Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived two brothers named Leo and Alex. Despite being brothers, they were as different as day and night. Leo, the elder one, was known for his calm demeanor and love for books. He spent his days engrossed in tales of distant lands and mythical creatures. Alex, on the other hand, was the complete opposite. Full of energy and enthusiasm, he was the village's best storyteller. His animated tales captivated the young and old alike, drawing them into a world of adventure and laughter. The brothers complemented each other perfectly, creating a balance that brought joy to their close-knit community. One day, a dark shadow fell over the village as a fierce storm approached. The villagers gathered in the town hall, seeking refuge from the impending tempest. Leo, with his knowledge from books, guided the villagers on how to stay safe during the storm. Meanwhile, Alex took it upon himself to keep everyone's spirits high. As the storm raged outside, Leo's calm reassurances and Alex's entertaining stories created a sense of unity among the villagers. The brothers worked together seamlessly, their differences fading away in the face of adversity. Leo's wisdom and Alex's charisma became a beacon of hope for the community. When the storm finally passed, the village emerged stronger than ever. The brothers, realizing the strength of their bond, decided to combine their talents. Leo began incorporating stories into his teachings, making learning more engaging for the villagers. Alex, in turn, started weaving valuable lessons into his tales, imparting wisdom through entertainment. The brothers' collaboration